Hello friends, today I am back again with an unboxing of this product from Dawlance. It's a microwave oven, and you might be wondering why I do random unboxing and don't keep on the only mobile phones and that kind of stuff. It's because this channel is about the experience, the shopping experience we get when we go to the market or shop online for our day-to-day stuff. Most people have no idea what are they going to get inside the box or the product they are going to buy from the market. Sometimes on the online stores the price are mentioned which are considerably high as compared to their original market price. Same was the case with this oven, and on the online websites and other areas it was shown as a price of 16,500 to 17,500, but in the market it's a little cheaper than that. Also, I've seen some unboxings and the company website which says inside the box items, uh, but on the box of these items there's nothing mentioned what you get inside the box. You have already seen the model number of this microwave oven, and as you can see, I'll show you the all four sides of the box. There's nothing mentioned as what we are going to get inside the box, and that's a little downside on the part of the companies, and it gives the chances to the vendor to do foul play or change the items original or not. We can't know because nothing is mentioned here. The features of this one are mentioned. One thing which I found is the serial number. This serial number, this should always match the warranty card of this product, and it's also written on the microwave oven. So the company person, when comes to, if you claim the warranty for say unfortunately you get a faulty product and you claim the warranty guy will see that serial number and not this box. So it must be mentioned the same serial number like the IMEI code for every microwave or every product from the company. It's different, and on the microwave and the warranty card or any product in the warranty card, this should be the same. So coming to this product, the features, the model number is DW-115C-HZ. It's a convection series 25-liter microwave oven from Dawlance, and it has 64 inbuilt recipes. The electricity consumption is average, and I don't know what electricity units they have used to calculate this rupees. It has a microwave tawa free, mainly for baking pizzas and taftan, naan, etc. Bakes, cooks and keeps warm. So without further ado, let me open the box and show you. First of all, when we open the box, it's already open because I had to confirm from the shop what things I'm getting. This is the company warranty card, and as I said, the serial number is mentioned on this. This should be same as the box and the microwave. So that's that serial number which you should check and confirm. Then one thing which I had encountered in the earlier videos of unboxing this microwave, maybe they were old stock and they had this book, but in this oven, in this box, it is in a form of this CD. In this CD, there's PDF file of the cookbook from both the chef mentioned, Chef Mehboob and Chef Gulsar. So one thing to be aware of, that in the older stock there was book, but in this there is this CD. The other thing is this manual, then the ring, the plate of the microwave, glass plate. So I should keep this securely aside, because if it breaks, the whole thing will become pointless. Okay, so let me take this off. This is the microwave. This is how they pack it. Let me take it out, then I'll continue from there. Okay, so guys, here is the microwave out of the box. As you can see, the box is all empty. So first unbox it totally, then we'll come to the features. And me myself, I also don't know all the features of this microwave, as it's new to me. It's just an unboxing video and a quick review from the outside, not the working. If you have queries about how it works and how it performs, then you can mention in the comment below, and I will make another video for that also. One thing, the size is good. It's 25 liter. This is all plastic, it's not the color, it's silver color. See? And on unboxing, this is how it's open. This is also so. Here's some more items which were included. The grill, the free tawa which was claimed on the box, and this is just a tray, nothing else. What it mentions: built-in recipes by Chef Mehboob, free cookbook CD, free tawa, deodorizer, remove pet order. Okay, so as you can see, these were all the items included. And again, I'll show you that serial number. It's only just to help you guys who are out there buying this thing. You can see there's also the serial number, all the specifications. One thing before buy, one should know the power consumption, as these things are very high on electricity. The power rating of this microwave oven is, let me see, maybe you can see or not, but 800 watts is mentioned. I don't think it's focusing that good, but it's 800. See, 13,000 watt on input microwave, and output is 8,000 watts, 800 watts. And grill and convection are 1200 watts, so a bit high on power consumption. Microwave power consumption is different, convection is different, grill is different. There are some security warnings, you can read that stuff later. The front of the microwave, as you can see how it opens. There's no button for opening the microwave, but there are some buttons here. Operation for the first one is microwave, then grill combi, convection, calorimeter, keyform, deodorizer, stop, clear, and this is start plus 30 second or confirm. So as you can see, pretty basic stuff, but it is the highest end model available in the market, not available by the company. There's one model above it from the company which has also air fryer included. This doesn't have this feature. The market in which I went to buy this other electronic market, didn't have that air fryer model because its cost is high and it doesn't uh, cut off very well from the shops, so they don't keep it, but there is available. One model is ahead of this. Capacity wise, it is 25 liter, and with all the four features of the microwave, grill, cooking, and baking, only this is the highest capacity available from Dawlance company. There's one model below it which has 20 liter capacity. If you minus the baking, then there are higher capacity models also available which have 36 liters capacity, but they don't bake. So for my requirement this was enough. And again I'll show you the tawa. This is the tawa. I don't know, it's aluminum material, I guess. Finish is quite good. And this is the grill. Now one thing that worries me is the design of the grill. Once you put it in the microwave, this, I don't know why they have kept this. Maybe you can use it on both sides, but whatever you put on it, it should be inside of these three. If I keep it like this and keep the on it, then it's quite high. I don't know if it fits or not. Let me see that after putting the grill this way I can put tawa or not. So, oh no, let me put a ring and that lid first. This is how the ring goes, and on it this plate. So it should fix like this, and it rotates when this functions. Now if I put the grill here, where would the tawa go? It will touch high. You can't put the tawa on it. The design is faulty. I don't know why they made it like this. It's out of my... either I have to buy some other grill or I have to see how it works like this, but I don't think it's going to be like this. So anyhow, this is what comes from the Dawlance company in this microwave. I hope you like it, and I'll use it for a while, and if you have questions about how it works, then you can ask in the comment section below, and I'll try to make the video answering your questions. Till then, take care guys. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.